Download the Screencast-o-matic app to your iPad, and then click Record. Open up your Google Slide presentation. Click Present. Walk through each slide, describing it to your viewer and giving you a presentation. When you're done, back to the Screencast-o-matic app. Open up your video. Click Edit. If you need to trim it, you can trim some of it. And here's where you'll add your face cam narration by clicking on face cam. So if you're doing it on an iPad, the face cam narration happens in the editing post-production part of your screencast. Make sure to turn off the Keep Original Audio, and then you can click Record and narrate along through your presentation with the face cam on. And when you're done, click and merge and save. And that's all there is to it.